Alright, so this is the install of the MPX hood lift kit. Alright, so nice and new. I did do this one before. Already got the one side assembled. If you check this out, it says this lower side connects to the fender bracket. So we have a really nice illustration here for this lower side. So that's going to go like this. Now I'm recommending that you tighten this. I'm not sure if it says that on there. Okay, I'm not sure. I'll have to look to see if it tells you in the instructions to do it this way. But I find it easier to assemble the brackets onto the shock first. Okay. Alright, that one's going to go just like that. And if you look at the driver's side bracket at the top, and it's going to go like this. So that's going to be on the outer side, right here. Just like this. I have a 10 and a 12, so I'm going to hold this side, and then I'll use this one to tighten this one up. Make them tight. You don't have to worry about them spinning because this moves. Okay. All right. Now we're going to take this over, set it onto the car. All right. Okay, so we're going to hold this the way that it goes on. So it's going to attach at this upper bolt. And this, what did he wrong here? This lower bolt, just like this. So I'm going to remove this one up here. Hold the bracket in place. Reinstall my bolt. Tighten it down. Okay, down here on the fender, we're going to remove this lower one. Alright, so I have completed the installation here on the driver's side. I already had the passenger side one on, and I did have the extra little manual hood holder here on. This is really nice if you need extra security when you're having a hood open. But there we go. Oh, look. Found myself a loose nut. So I'm going to tighten that one up, and then we'll see how this thing looks like when it's closed. So we got our hood hinges nice and tight. Let's see how this acts. A little tight on the first time. These are new shocks, so kind of expect it. Down. Nice! Like you don't even have to open it. Oh, a little nicer the second time. Work down a little bit. Yep. That's all it took. A couple times open and close. Good smooth feeling the whole way through. So there's one more thing that's done.